This is a vintage 1973 G.I. Joe Adventure Team helicopter. It's in really great condition. The mechanism for the rotors works great. I believe all of the decals are there. I don't see any that are obviously missing. The plastic's in great shape. The windshield is slightly, more than slightly yellowed, but you can still see through it. It has one small crack in the plastic at the bottom of the windshield there. It's hardly noticeable unless you're up close. It's 100% complete. The grappling hook is there. And the mechanism for that works, but I can't really show it too well. But you can see as I'm turning this, it's letting loose line. And it will retract the line. You can get it at litoygame.com.